Here is a brief explanation of the tentative calculation for export expenses. When preparing for an export order, it is essential to calculate all associated costs to ensure profitability and proper pricing. Below is a step-by-step breakdown. 1. Finished goods costing with packing plus profit. Start by determining the total cost of your product including packaging. Add your expected profit margin. This is your base product price. 2. Small diamond freight from godown, factory to port, airport. Add transportation charges from your premises to the port or airport. This includes trucking, loading, local handling, etc. 3. CHA clearing charges plus port charges plus IGST custom house agent, charges for documentation, customs clearance, and port handling. IGST, integrated GST, paid at the time of export is refundable under GST rules. 4. Marine freight or air freight. If you're responsible for shipping beyond the port, sea and AMP, CFR terms, include international freight costs charged when using terms where the exporter pays up to the destination port. 5. Small diamond insurance. If you are exporting under CIF, cost, insurance and AMP, freight terms, include insurance premium costs. This is for insuring goods in transit, typically from port of shipment to port of destination. Final export price equals product cost plus local freight plus CHA, port charges plus marine freight, if C and AMP, CFR, plus insurance, if CIF. Always ensure to mention the correct Incoterms in your invoice and AMP quotation to avoid confusion.